25 credit repair hacks nobody wants you to know. I'm exposing all of them. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and this is part 18 of the data breach hack. Yes, if you have been a victim of a data breach, you could potentially use that to your advantage and use it in credit repair. Here is how. Now, if you are new here, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and give me a huge thumbs up. If you want access to this guide, comment the word guide and I will send you access. Now, in the previous video, we went over the Equifax data breach and what you would need. And of course, if you watch the 25-part series, you'll know how to file an FTC report, get a copy of that so you can send all of that information into the credit bureau. It doesn't need to be Equifax. It can be TransUnion. It can be Equifax. It could be Experian. Now, this is how you do the Experian data breach removal. Before you go through the steps, make sure that you have your dispute letter, your FTC report, your social security card, your affidavit, all of that ready. And again, ChatGPT AI is going to be your best friend. All you have to do is just give it instructions. Create a free account, give it instructions to draft a letter to the credit bureaus.